All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to Toccoa on the Piedmont Division main line, and coming north, this is going to be NS 264, look like a parade of foreign power as well, probably BNSF. 264 is a BNSF intermodal train. Y'all have yeah, the 264 they pick up, NS picks it up in Memphis, and generally that's pretty much what 264 is coming out of Memphis, a bunch of JB Hunt containers. Then they'll go to Inman and I guess tack on some internationals down here and whatever else 222 used to bring up through here. This train has replaced NS 222. 265's replaced 221. From what I understand, this train's supposed to be big. Looking to be pretty big. Here comes some of the stuff you see on trains like 220 and 24E coming up from the southwest into Inman. Like I said, for the most part, 264. A couple times I saw them down in Georgia before they ran to Charlotte, with mostly JB Hunt trailers coming from BNSF going to Atlanta. But now they've consolidated things a little bit, getting rid or abolishing 221 and 222 and running these trains 264 and 265 Raleigh, Memphis, Memphis, Raleigh. I've heard bits and pieces, little rumors and stuff like that there might be another intermodal on tap between somewhere, maybe Shreveport or something like Meridian, Mississippi, or somebody like that to Charlotte. But that's a rumor, and rumors are so easy to get started. I haven't independently confirmed it. One can say, but hey, look at this train, it's huge. But yeah, that's why they like it in PSR. They want to move as much as possible using as little resources as possible. Oh, Tiger Cool Express. Saw those a lot up north. This is only like the third train I've gotten today. Third actual train, different train. I got two earlier, but I didn't go for volume today. I went for short lines and caught two. Caught a pretty nice local run coming out of Lawrence going towards the Golden Strip, mauled in the Simpsonville on the Carolina Piedmont, and then caught Pickens Railroad taking 4 boxcars to one of their customers south of Anderson, using some old U-18s. I haven't seen U-boats in years. I saw some today in service. Tried to catch something on Hartwell, but I think they'd already brought everything back by the time I got finished getting the Pickens job up in Anderson. Didn't get there in time. Definitely, looking at the rails, it definitely looks like somebody ran. And there's still a couple engines I couldn't account for, so they may be out there somewhere. Who knows? Wow, that was a huge NS 264. Northbound. Under the signal there, Toccoa. It's an intermediate signal. Distant signal for Control Point Park, north of here. And lovely town of Toccoa, Georgia. All right.